Hi friends, in this video I am sharing the special Laddu recipe which is famous in North India, especially in winter season, which is having amazing ingredients. Let's see how to prepare this and what are the ingredients. To measure the ingredients, take any measuring cup. I am using 250 ml cup. In that cup I am using half cup of wheat flour, then 2 cup of gram flour. This one is the powdered sugar, 3 cup of sugar, and then 2 cup of puffed lotus seeds, then 1.5 cup of grated coconut. I'm using the fresh one. If you want you can use the dried coconut also. Then 1 cup of dry fruits, half cup badam, half cup cashews and small amount of walnuts. Then change the measuring cup to 80 ml. In that cup take 1 cup of cucumber seeds and then 1 cup of food gum. This is a kind of gum like asafoetida which is having lots of health benefits. Take 1 cup and 1 tablespoon of kamarkas. In English it is called as flame of forest, which is helpful in back pains. This is a type of herb. 1 tablespoon of kamarkas and 1 tablespoon of dried ginger powder. Then 1 teaspoon of salt. Nothing tastes good without salt. Finally ghee, 500 ml of ghee. That's all the ingredients. Next one is mixing bowl. We have to mix all the item in a bowl. So take a big bowl. Then take a pan for cooking. That's all. Let's start cooking. First, we have to grind the dry fruits. Coarsely grind the dry fruits like this. For badam, roast the badam slightly and cools down well, then grind it like this and put it in the pan. If you want, you can soak the badam and remove the skin, then allow this to dry and you can make this powder. Then take a pan, using a little amount of ghee, fry the food gum. We have to fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. It will change in the texture and the color. First it looks like glassy, then it will change to white color like this. Then allow this to cool and grind this like a powder. Along with this, add 1 tablespoon of kamarkas and grind it like a powder like this, and then add into the mixing bowl. Then add the salt. Always salt gives the taste to the dish. After adding the salt, mix it well. Then in the same pan, add small amount of ghee and fry the lotus seeds, puffed lotus seeds. We have to grind this also. So we have to make this crispy. So that only we are frying this. It will take 3 to 4 minutes. After completing this, it will turns to crispy. Now it is crispy. Then allow this to cool and then grind it like a powder. Now the powder is ready. Add it in the mixing bowl. Along with this, add 1 tablespoon of dried ginger powder in the mixing bowl. Then take a pan, add little amount of ghee and fry the grated coconut until it turns golden brown. If you are using the dried coconut, you have to do the same for that also. We have to remove the water content from the coconut. While frying, you will feel the good flavor of the coconut. Now it is almost completed. Now transfer the fried coconut into the bowl and then add little amount of ghee and fry the cucumber seed. If you want, you can grind this or you can use as it is after completing the frying step. Now this is completed. After completing this, add as it is in the mixing bowl. If you want powder of this, you can make a powder of this. I'm using directly as a seed. Now the grinding process is completely done. After completing this, mix it thoroughly like this. Then keep a small amount of powder separately. I will tell you later why it is. Just keep a small amount. After keeping this separately, take a pan, add the remaining ghee in the pan and then add the flours into the pan, gram flour and wheat flour. Add both the flour in the pan and mix it together like this. Then allow this to cook for 15 to 20 minutes. It will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Keep the flame in the medium and keep stirring well until it is fully cooked. In the initial stage, this dough will look tight and it will slowly loosen as it continues to cook. The consistency should be like the idli dosa batter. If the ghee is not sufficient, you can add the ghee in the batter. The batter should be like this. It will take approximately 15 to 20 minutes until you have to stir continuously like this. It is almost completed. You can see the changes in the color. If it is cooked well, the batter changed into orange color. In the initial stage, it will be in yellow color. Now it is completed. You can see the consistency. Now switch off the gas and immediately shift into the mixing bowl and then spread the dry powder in the cooking pan. I initially kept a small amount of dry powder separately. Is it because it is for cleaning this cooking vessel? If you are doing like this, you can clean up the vessel properly. Otherwise, it will be difficult for clean the cooked batter. Now it is clean up very well. After cleaning this, add into the mixing bowl and mix it properly with the batter. Final step is adding sugar. After completing this mixing step, add the sugar. I took 3 cups of sugar, but I am using only 2 cups of sugar first. Mix it properly, then check the taste and add the sugar. If you feel the sugar is not sufficient, you can add more sugar. I am using normal refined sugar. If you want, you can use brown sugar also. That will be a best option for this laddu. Now I completed the steps. The final step is making laddu. Just hold in your hands and press it like this. Then you will get the proper round shape. That's all. The healthiest laddu is ready. I hope this recipe will be very useful for you. Please try this in your home because it will definitely improve your family's health. Thank you for watching this video.